For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The World Health Organization has issued a statement warning young people and urging them to stay safe. According to the Director General of WHO, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, the spike in COVID-19 cases across many countries are driven by young people letting down their guard. We have said this before and will say it again. Young people are not invincible. The spike in coronavirus cases is driven in part by younger people letting down their guard during the Northern Hemisphere summer. Convincing younger people across the globe that the virus could pose a serious risk for their health remains a challenge for the WHO. The fears of a possible second wave have even forced some countries to reimpose the travel ban and have not denied the possibility of another complete lockdown. The head of WHO's Emerging Diseases and Zoonosis Unit warned that not all young people will have mild symptoms.
The majority of young people infected tend to have more mild disease. But that's not always consistent. Even people who have mild disease, some of them will go on to recover just fine. But some of them have longer term effects. And we are just starting to really learn about this. Some suffer from extreme fatigue, shortness of breath, or difficulty resuming normal activities like going back to work or the gym even after they recover.
Dr. K.K. Howe added that young people can wash their hands, practice social distancing, wear a mask, and avoid going to crowded places like nightclubs.
We are consistently seeing nightclubs as amplifiers of transmission. This is very unfortunate because young people want to resume normal activities. But there are situations where the virus, if it's present, can take hold and transmit efficiently.
Several US officials had issued a statement saying that more young people have been infected with COVID-19 in recent weeks. Officials also said that the average age of COVID-19 patients in the US had dropped by 15 years since the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak. While the officials are trying to contain the outbreak, several college students in Alabama had organized COVID-19 parties as a contest. Those who get infected first will be declared as the winner of the contest and would get a monetary reward. Earlier in the month of March, video of a social media influencer who licked toilet seats in public washrooms to mock the virus had tested positive for COVID-19. As per the latest data, over 17 million COVID-19 cases have been recorded worldwide.